could just cut this whole beginning part. Jake, take whatever time you want.
Can you use straw?
What up, gang?
Ladies and gentlemen,
We out here.
and in order for you to truly understand
Put it lower, put it lower.
anxiety,
We out here, I'm here with my girlfriend.
take a second.
No, I could just cut that part out. I could just cut it out. Motherfuckers is hungry as hell. Motherfuckers did not eat all day. But babe, talk, you're not gonna say nothing? You have to talk. When did we first started dating? How did you meet me?
I met you on this little app. Started texting you. We started FaceTiming each other as best friends. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And I was at work. I remember I was at work. And you texted me and was like, we should just date.
At first, we were supposed to be friends. But she wanted more, you know what
That's why.
I'm saying? I'm just kidding. Hey, I was a real nigga, you know what I'm saying? I had to do what I had to do. Hey. All you little kids, you know what I'm saying? I believe in you. I believe in you.
Close that back door, can you shake that back one home?
I believe in you. Motherfuckers eating a Big Mac out here, you know what I'm saying?
Close that back door, can you shake that back one home? Close that back door, can you shake that back one home?
Why you keep looking at me? I never get a break. I never get a break.
What do you mean?
She be honking me every time she be looking at me. Look at how she's doing it. But I like the lights though, baby.
Audio levels will match. I will be screaming into
I'm
your
not
ears
gonna.
too
You're
loud.
trying to be mean to me.
But just really
Talk
immerse
yourself about me right in front of me.
This is an experience.
Trying to watch Brady Easy and shit.
Close that back door, can you shake that?
What do you mean I be stalking you?
You be watching me like a hawk.
Close that back door.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
You be watching me like a hawk. I go out somewhere. Who you gonna be with? Who you with? Who's driving?
Exactly. You be doing the same thing to me too.
Exactly. So what's the problem? When I do it to you, it's stalking.
How is it stalking me?
You
I
just
never
said
said that. Hey. You gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta keep doing it.
Shut up.
I gotta edit this video a lot. Cause of you. My bad, we ain't talking a lot. Motherfuckers hungry. Motherfuckers been hungry all day. Show them what you got, babe. What did you eat?
So, I got a little sandwich with bacon on it. Another chicken sandwich and some fries.
Mm-hmm.
And some chicken nuggets.
About to smash on some chicken nuggets.
It's really easy.
Yeah.
Taj money.
I don't speak English.
Shut your ass up.
Or
No blame me.
alright, buddy.
I'll fuck you up in Pony, buddy. I'll beat your ass. And I'll fuck you up in Tekken 2. You know what's up.
That's abusive.
Fucking you up in Tekken.
Second.
What am I saying? What I really saying? She be saying that I be mean as hell to her lately and shit. How am I being mean to you? I be loving you all the time. Why are you full right now?
Oh my god. You know what?
I'm always nice to you. I'm always nice to you. Stop. Stop it. Eat your food before I beat you up.
I'm right here.
Better eat your food.
You better eat your food.
Man, listen to Dad. Oh my god, I'm gonna end this video. Turn on the video.
I'm too busy trying to eat.
Me too. Can't talk right now.